Hello children, welcome to the day. Today we are talking about multiplying and dividing integers. Now this is one of my favorite ones because it's very easy. The rules stay exactly the same all the time. Our rules don't change, our multiplication doesn't change, our division doesn't change, nothing changes. All we need to know is our specific rules. Okay, and our rules are same sign. If we have the same sign, if we're multiplying and dividing, we have the same sign, our answer is positive, always. If the numbers have the same sign, our answer is positive. If the numbers have a different sign, our answer is negative. Okay? In all things, multiplying and dividing, these rules work. Same sign, positive. That means a positive times a positive equals a positive. Or a negative times a negative will still equal a positive. If the signs are the same, our answer is positive. If the signs are different, positive times negative, that is always going to equal a negative. Or a negative times positive will always equal a negative. So we look at our signs just like we do for addition. So just know our rules for addition. Just like we do for addition, we look at our signs for multiplication and division. Okay, so if I have something like negative 3 times 3. I'm going to look at my signs and I'm going to say, all right, well, one of these is negative and one of these is positive. And when my signs are different, my answer is negative. And then I just do my math. What is 3 times 3? Well, that's 9. Once I figure out the signs, I don't need to worry about those for solving my problem. I don't have to do anything backwards or different. I just multiply and divide exactly the way that I know how to do. Okay, so whenever I do my math here, I just do normal math, and then I look at my signs to say, what am I supposed to do? And that works for multiplication and division. They both work the same in this situation, which is really, really nice. I really like that they both work the same. Okay, so just a couple other examples. This will be a quick lesson because we just need to know those rules. 70 divided by negative 10. Okay, so we have different signs, which means our answer will be negative. And then 70 divided by 10 is 7. There's our answer. What if I had negative 13 times negative 2? Well, if my signs are the same, my answer is positive. And 13 times 2 is 26. What if I had negative 3 times negative 2 times negative 2? So our last one, and it's just a little bit more because there's one more addition problem here, or multiplication problem. Well, I would look at my first two numbers here, and I would solve, all right, negative times negative is positive. 3 times 2 is 6. And then I bring down everything else. I'm going to bring down the rest of this times negative 2. I'm going to say negative times positive is negative. 6 times 2 is 12. And that would be my final answer. As long as we know our rules, as long as we know different signs mean that we have a negative answer, same signs mean we have a positive answer. As long as those things are working the way they're supposed to work, this math should not be too difficult. Okay? So, negative times negative is positive. Positive times negative is negative. You children will do well with this, I'm sure. Remember those two rules, and we are good to go. See you all tomorrow.